Here we are, guys, and this is a interesting video that I have to make for you all. But we're going to talk some Dogecoin, some liquidation, some doom and gloom in the markets, some fear, all the above. So as we await for more of what's going on actually in the market, see how this all shakes out. I do got to give you the news, good or bad, every single day on the Dogecoin. So not FUD, just telling the news, give you guys my thoughts as we move forward. And let's get down into it, okay? But first, before we do, I appreciate each and every one of you being part of the channel. Please subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well. And let's get down into it, okay? So as we await the Bitcoin halving, here's where we're at. This is the Fear and Greed Index, right? Last week, we had 76 on the chart. 76 is extreme greed. And now we're at 72. So as it relates to Dogecoin, that's kind of what we're looking at, okay? Taking in a lot of the volatility we're seeing in the market. And as we look into the trading view, on this red day, where Dogecoin unfortunately is down a little over 1%, so it's not too crazy. Some of the other cryptos are having worse days on the charts. Some of them are down even 10+% again, opening up the door for a lot of buying opportunities, a lot of entry points, right? If you believe in the Bitcoin halving being bullish, you believe in the pumps coming after, you believe in Bitcoin surging to all-time highs even further, once more, then these are very good entry points, right? And Dogecoin right now at 15 cents. We're kind of getting back down to this 12.6 where we see a little bit of a support. That's where I look for Dogecoin to bounce off. But you got to remember, guys, just a couple days ago, Dogecoin was trading firmly over 20 cents. So presentably, a little bit of a swing trade opportunity for me. I'm going to be monitoring this a little closely, try to find out what exactly is moving the market. But for me, I'm not really concerned within what's going on with Dogecoin. Just wanted to share with you guys this quick update. But we're going to talk about the 600 million that have been transferred to a major exchange, kind of adding to all this fear, right? It's kind of what we've seen, 600 million Doge to a Binance wallet, and that number has pretty much come to the limelight, as that's 92.3 plus million US dollars, okay? So we've seen Dogecoin go down about 30% since March 20th. And now as we look for a Dogecoin price outlook, this is where we have to talk about it, okay? It's a new address, relatively new, with the wallet activity dating back till March or till December 2023. So potentially there's a lot of reasons why that could happen, but nonetheless, it still is a liquidation. 130 transactions within recent months. So within this anonymous whale moving, what are the intentions? Are we converting to fiat? Are we exiting? Speculation will amount. Okay, but this is a very significant move for just one wallet making these moves. Okay, so this is kind of where the fear and greed index really comes into question. Okay, is this an institution panicking, trying to hedge against the ultimate crash, a super crash, if you will? Maybe, or could be a smart money thinking the market's going to go down even further, betting on the conflict over in the Middle East that just happened yesterday. Well, it's been going on for hundreds of years, but just the recent attempt, okay, against Israel. But leaving all that aside, if that never happened, if we take our eyes off the prize, Bitcoin halving is still coming this next week, guys. So that's what we need to be focused on. These little crashes, micro crashes, flash crashes, whatever you want to call them, they've been happening for tons of days on end. They're going to happen again. We're going to have more. It's just the reality of it. Would not surprise me one bit if Dogecoin gets above 20 cents very, very closely to the Bitcoin halving. You just never know. But historically, we do see a little bit of a pullback before the halving, and then everything becomes crazy. That's just my history. The trading view is kind of lending towards, a little bit more of a correction. Like I said, this is the line 12.8, 12.6. That's kind of where I'm eyeing as that next support level where we really got to think about it and see what's going on. But I'm not panicking. I'm not selling any crypto today. It's just kind of what it is. I'm actually probably going to buy some crypto here after this video. Not necessarily Dogecoin, but a lot of meme coins are being unfazed by what's going on right now in the market. So something I like to do is keep my eye on some of the smaller caps. If they're going up, then this is something very independent, and it doesn't correlate, at least in the short term. So that's kind of where I use as a barometer to see where the market's at. That fear and greed index, all that good stuff. But try not to be emotional. I know this is a hard one, especially if you're buying at 22 cents for Dogecoin, getting down to 15 cents. It stinks. It stinks. But that's kind of where we have to use dollar cost averaging, lowering our basis, all those great tools within crypto investing that you need to have to be successful. So lowering the cost basis, getting into positions such as we're seeing on the dips, buying the dips, selling on green candles, all that good stuff. Those are all good advantage trading that you can use, okay? Those are all good tools, all right? But this is intended not to be financial advice. I just wanted to share with you guys what was going on in the chart, talk about those 600 million liquidations, okay? We'll see what happens. See what happens even further. I think this is something where the whales are going to be swimming for a while, jockeying their positions. This is kind of what we're seeing on the charts. We're seeing this with the big money moves, and it's probably going to continue up to the halving. And then with all the market manipulation that goes on within crypto, like I said, do not be surprised if Dogecoin even surpasses that 22 cents and beyond very, very quickly. But that's just my 2 cents. Like I said, not financial advice. So always do what's best for you and your financial interests. Do your own homework and due diligence. But I appreciate you guys watching this video. Please subscribe down below, though, if you have not yet done so. We talk Dogecoin every single day here on the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.